Hey guys, in this video I want to share with you the step-by-step process you can follow to be able to create an international TikTok account so that you can be able to monetize the content you're posting on TikTok and also go ahead and start making money on TikTok. All right, so currently for you to be eligible for TikTok monetization, you need to be based in countries such as the USA, UK, Germany, Spain, Italy, or France. So that means that if you're living outside of these 6 countries, you will not be able to monetize your TikTok account and start making money with it. So if you are living in a place like Nigeria or Kenya or Rwanda or any of these other African countries, or even if you're living in Asia in countries such as India, Pakistan, and so on and so forth, you will not be able to monetize your TikTok account and start making money with the content you're posting on TikTok. But in this video, I will walk you the step-by-step process that you can go ahead right now and follow to be able to create an international TikTok account so that you can be able to monetize that account and start making money from the content you're posting on TikTok. And also, I'm going to be sharing with you things that you need to avoid so that you are not going to get that account banned, and so that you can be able to successfully withdraw your money once you start making money on the TikTok platform, and other information that you will need for you to be able to succeed when you register on the TikTok platform to start making money for yourself. So kindly stick to this video to the very end so that you will successfully see the step-by-step process you need to follow to set up your account and also go ahead to monetize it and start making money for yourself on TikTok. So right now, let me head over to my phone right now and show you the step-by-step process you have to follow to set up your international TikTok account. So now that we're on our phone, there are 4 things that we need to create this international TikTok account. Now the first one is going to be your mobile phone. That's why I'm on my phone right now. Then the second one is going to be a free VPN. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys the best free VPN that I'm using so that you can also go ahead and use that same VPN. All right, now the third thing that we're going to be needing is a Google Chrome. Okay, everyone has a Google Chrome. If you don't have it, go to the App Store or Play Store to download it right now. Okay, now the fourth thing that we are going to be needing right now is going to be the TikTok app. All right, so now that we're on our phone right now, the first thing you need to do is for you to go to the App Store if you are using an iPhone, or go to the Google Play Store. Now once you get to the App Store, simply come over right now and search for Windscribe. Okay, now this is the VPN network that we are going to be using to do this. So search for Windscribe VPN. Now once you make that search, you will see this Windscribe VPN best privacy tools for humans right here. Okay, now if you're not finding this as that Windscribe VPN, I will be putting the link down in the video description below, so that once you click on it immediately, you will be able to land this place so that you can be able to go ahead and install it. All right, now once you have installed it, it will be showing up like this to ask you to go ahead and open. So I'll go ahead right now and click on open. Now once you click on open, this is how the page is going to look, right? Okay, so go ahead and click on get started because you don't have an account right now. Okay, so once you come over right here, simply go ahead and put your username. For example, let me say my username is Mr. T. All right, now here they'll ask you to put your password. Just go ahead and put some password right here. Now the next thing, they will ask you to go ahead and put your email. Let me say my email is mrt@gmail, because I want to show you guys exactly how you can be able to do this. Now once you have done that, now the next thing is this place they say refer by someone. So come over right here. Now the referring name you put right here is Ucmartino. Okay, now you can see right here, by putting this particular referred by someone right here, you will also be getting an additional 1 GB per month when you sign up. Okay, so it means that you will be getting 11 GB each and every month by using this referred by someone right here that I put right here. Now once you are done with all this stuff that you put right here, simply go ahead and click on continue. But since I already have an account, I'll simply go ahead and click on login. Okay, so I'll simply go ahead right now and provide my username and password to log in on this VPN. So I've gone ahead right now to add my username and my password. So I'll simply go ahead right now and click on continue. So once you have done that, you can see we have successfully logged in. So I'll go ahead and close this particular stuff right now. Okay, so it's going to show us right now for us to be able to choose a location. Now the locations that we are going to be choosing right here are locations that are eligible to TikTok monetization. Remember that I mentioned 6 locations that are eligible, and one of those locations right here is the USA. Okay, so you can either use the USA or UK or Germany or Spain or Italy for you to be able, or France, for you to be able to go ahead and do this. So the one that we are going to be choosing right now is going to be USA. Okay, so I'll simply go over to this US Central right here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and use this Dallas launch. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on Dallas launch. Now once you click on it, you will see that this thing is going to revolve around right here, and the WireGuard right here have to show on. And we are seeing right now that we have VPN activated on this particular phone right here. So you can see the VPN that is showing up right now. Okay, so what you simply have to do to make sure that this thing was activated successfully is just to go to your Chrome. All right, so once you are right there, simply come over right here and search for what is my location. All right, so we'll make sure that we are on the right location right here now. So once you make that, simply scroll up right now. Now you will see this mylocation.org. This will show you the exact location that Google is seeing that you are on. So go ahead and click on this mylocation.org. So once I click on it right now, you are going to see right now that it's showing me that my public IP address is this. It's showing me the city that I am on, which is Dallas, and the region is Texas. And if you take a look at this VPN right here, so we are in Dallas. Okay, so it shows that this thing has connected properly. All right, now once that is done, simply come over right now on your Google Chrome and click on tiktok.com. so once you land on the TikTok website, it's going to ask you right now to open the app. So we're going to click not now, okay, because we want to go ahead and create our international TikTok account. Okay, so what you simply have to do right now is just to go ahead right now and click on this profile. All right, so once you click on profile, simply go ahead right now and click on sign up for us to be able to go ahead and create our new international TikTok account. All right, now once you are doing that, make sure you go over right now and swipe down on your phone and make sure that where you see your network right here, make sure that VPN is showing next to it, because this is what shows that you are still connected to the VPN network, and this one's going to allow you to be able to do this successfully. All right, so once you have come over right here, go ahead and click on sign up for TikTok using your phone or email. Now once you have done that, simply come over right here and select your date of birth. Okay, so I can go ahead right now and choose something random right here and click on next. Now once you see phone or email, go ahead and change this stuff right here to email, because as you can see right here, it's showing me US+1, because right now TikTok thinks that I'm coming from the US. Okay, that's why it's showing me like this. But since we don't have US phone number, we'll go ahead and click on email. Now once you click on email, simply come over right here and type in the email address that you have never used to create any TikTok account. Okay, now once you have gone ahead to put the email address, verify it and make sure that it's correct. Now once you have done that, simply go ahead right now and click on next. Now once you click on next, it's going to ask you right now to go ahead and create your password. Now you can see right here that your password has to be 8 to 20 characters, and it must contain letters, numbers, and special characters. Okay, so as you can see right now that my password has passed the required verification that it wants me to add right here. Okay, so once that is done, now the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on sign up. Now once you click on sign up, they are going to send a 6-digit code to your email address. Okay, but before you do that, they say drag the slider to fit the puzzle. Okay, so I'll go ahead and drag this stuff to make sure it fits in. So I think it fits in like this, so I'm going to leave it to verify. So once you have completed the verification, it's going to send a 6-digit code to the email address you added. All right, so simply go over to your email address that you added, and you're going to see the code that TikTok is going to send to you. So right here, they sent me 446286. Okay, so I'll come right here and put it 446286. all right, so once you have gone ahead to click it, so it's going to go ahead right now and verify the code you just added right here. So as you can see, once it has verified the code, it's not going to ask you to go ahead and put your username. Okay, so I've gone ahead right now to add my username. I added Martin's Hustle Official. So I will go ahead right now and click on sign up. Once I sign up, you're going to see this stuff that says login success. Now once you see this stuff, it means that you have successfully created an international TikTok account and you will successfully log in. Okay, so let's now wait for you to go ahead and sign us into our account. So as you can see right now, it has successfully gone ahead to sign us into our account right now. So you can see the Martin's Hustle Official is now live right now, guys. Okay, so what we simply have to do right now is now to come off right now and go to TikTok app. Okay, so now go to the TikTok app. Okay, now once you get to the TikTok app, all you simply have to do right now is just to simply come over right now and click on your profile. Now once you click on your profile right here, the next thing you need to do is just to go ahead right here and click on this hamburger button we have right here and go over to this settings and privacy. Now once you come over right here, scroll up right now and click on switch account. Okay, so once you click on switch account, go ahead and click on add account. Now once you get to this section where it will tell you to sign up on TikTok, simply go ahead right now and click on already have an account and click on login. Okay, so once you click on login, go ahead and click on use phone or email. Now once you come over right here, it's going to ask you to use your phone number right here, but we have to switch it to email or username. Okay, so all we simply have to write right here is to go ahead and put in the email or the username for the new international TikTok account we created. Okay, so I'll go ahead right now and go ahead and add the username right here. So Martin's Hustle Official. All right, so once you have added the username, now go ahead and add the password you use. So once you have added the username and the password, simply come over right here and click on login. So it will go ahead right now and bring on some puzzle for you to solve. So right here, it asks us to select two objects that are the same shape. Okay, so the two objects right here is this L and this second one. So once you have selected it, simply go ahead right now and click on confirm. All right, now you can see verification complete. So right here, it will now go ahead and successfully log us into our account. So as you can see right now, we have successfully logged into the international TikTok account that we have created. Okay, so right here, you can go ahead and also go ahead and set up your profile. You can go ahead and add your bio and start uploading your content. But before we go ahead and do that, there's something very important I want to show you right now. Okay, so if you go over right now and click on this hamburger button right now, then you will see the creator tools right here. Okay, so go ahead and click on creator tools and you are going to see all the information that we need right now. Now the most important thing that we need is this particular creativity program beta right here. Okay, now this particular creativity program beta is not available in most countries out there. It's only eligible for countries that are able to monetize with TikTok, and that's what I showed you guys how you can be able to do, so that you can be able to get this creativity program beta. Okay, so if we go over to this creativity program beta right now, so you can be able to see the whole information that is right here. So you can see get rewarded for your quality content on TikTok. So it says right here, once you join the creator rewards program, you will be eligible to be rewarded for creating videos that are 1 minute or longer. Okay, so you can see all the things that it's stated right here on how you can be able to earn your reward. Now you need to have at least 10,000 followers for you to be able to join, and also you need to have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, and you must be at least 18 years old. Now once we have been able to achieve these three things right now, just you will see this apply button right now is going to go live, so you can easily go ahead and click on apply for this creativity program and start earning money from your TikTok videos. So guys, this is the step-by-step video on how you can be able to create an international TikTok account and join the TikTok creativity beta program, so that you can be able to start monetizing your TikTok content and start making money on the TikTok platform. Now here are 4 things that you need to do so that you can be able to remain monetized and not get your account banned on TikTok. Okay, now the first thing is that you must not switch your account from personal to business account. Okay, this international TikTok account you just created, you must not switch it from personal to business account. Now the second thing is that you must not post content from other creators. Okay, you will only post your own content. Okay, now the third thing is that you should not post content from your old account. Okay, so for some of you guys who have already have a TikTok account, the content that you are creating there, do not post it in this new international account you just created right now, because it's going to get you demonetized, or it can even get you banned from the platform. Okay, now the fourth thing you need to avoid doing is that you must not duet other people's content. Okay, so if you abide by these 4 rules, you will make sure that you remain monetized and you keep making money from the content that you're uploading on TikTok once you have been able to reach the requirements to join the TikTok creativity beta program that I showed you guys right now in this video. Now the next important tip I would like to share with you guys right here is that while signing up to your international TikTok accounts, try as much as possible to make sure that the VPN is turned on. Okay, now the reason for that is that this is not verifiable, but I believe that if TikTok keep on discovering that you have been signing up to your international TikTok account from countries that are not eligible for monetization, they might go ahead to demonetize your account or even ban you. Okay, but if you make sure that your VPN is always on, TikTok will always see that you are signing up from countries where the monetization eligibility is available. Okay, so try as much as possible to make sure that your VPN is always on while signing up on your international TikTok account. So guys, that's the tip I have for you guys today. If you find the video valuable, let me know in the comment section and share this video to anyone that will need it to go ahead and create their international TikTok account. And also do well to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, to stay updated with my content. Like the video and click the bell notification icon so that once I drop a video right here, YouTube will notify you to come right here and take advantage of that video. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in my next video.